again, and we have MLGO. If you remember last time, all those white lines there are from the past time that we've tried to trade this, and we didn't because it had so many sellers on it, short sellers, that were diluting the shares, meaning that, if you owned 25 shares, now it's worth one, so they were doing a lot of dilution. These are all my lines that had resistance at sellers, so it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 there from the previous time, and it looks like it fits the criteria. The free float, 9.79 million, which is the amount of shares they have to sell, and has really good volume. The percentage is amazing, right? 269, and the last price 9.10. So it fits the criteria, which is from $2 to $20, and has 10 mil, from 2 to 10 mil float is what I trade below that, and it has really good volume. But as we recall last time, they are diluting their shares, and just be careful with the stock, because like say we already have a short seller there at 32,000, and so any of these here are just not good. So just be careful. You have these indecision candles here, a lot of wicks right there. So looks like this buyers are trying to push it up, but then you have this sellers are still pushing it down here, and just consolidate. This right here has a lot of resistance right here, and there it is, just barely trading above the 9. So yeah, it just wasn't good last time. It's like the MACD is closing. It's not even opened up really good, and so that means they're coming down. So even though it looks like it's really tempting to trade, I would be very cautious with this one, because last time it did not have really good results. So there's my 2 cents there. Today we have the criteria, IMTE, we have CAPS, RAY. But a lot of these companies, like say this one here, 321, 507, these are all good ones that I wouldn't try to trade. But the company like this one, like RAY, just the way the chart looks right now, all this consolidation here. Let's see, yeah, so there's all this resistance here, and it's just kind of consolidating this area above the 9. You can see that right there. So just consolidating there, not doing much. Doesn't even want to break out above the resistance. And I was doing a little research on that company, Raytech Holdings, and this company engages in product design and manufacturing various product ranges such as hair care, men's care, and women's care products. So I was looking at the operating expenses. They rose by 50%, and administrative expenses climbing to 5.2 million. This increases was largely due to IPO related expenses and higher salaries. So profitability income from operating decreased 43.7%. So yeah, these are like some news that I don't really like. The sales surged 2.9 million, but failure to outlook. The company plans to optimize its cost structures. So this is some information here that you can get on this company, and the dilution is low, but I mean, there's really not much to see, on this company here that is doing like really well. That's why they're here, because they want to raise some cash, but just gotta kind of make sure that you look at the whole picture, look at a little bit about the company and see what they're doing and what they're trying to do, where they're heading, their financials. So right now you can see there's some short sellers there. So we have a few on the bullish side here, but as long as it doesn't get out of this resistance here where the sellers are sitting at, I just wouldn't even try to go in, especially because the volume is so low, 31,000. It's just not worth me trading at all. So yeah, there's really not a lot to trade, but just do a little bit of due diligence on the companies, because yeah, you don't just want to get in there because it looks good. Just kind of do a little bit of that. So this is what I traded today, which was KDLY, and I bought there at 280, sold at 279. I bought another one here at 289, and then I sold at 246. So it was a 48-cent loss there. It wasn't nothing good. I got stuck in this position because it had a lot of resistance up here. I just didn't want to break out anymore. Very weak volume, and yeah, I just trying to trade something, and it's just told me it had 23 volumes there, 23 million volume, but it just wasn't doing it for me. The free flow was 127 mil. So it's good from 1 mil to 10 mil, and anything below 10 mil is what I trade with good volume and good percentage change. So there you have it. It's a little analysis on what I'm looking at right now and how it's going on this new journey with the real account and out of the paper simulator account. See, there's another short seller there on KDLY. So yeah, that's a little recap on what I'm up to today, and there you have it.